All right, guys, I'm at the shop this morning. I'm gonna get all my shit out of, I gotta clean these, I'm gonna show you, do a quick walkthrough on how I clean the stuff. Look, I turned that off just because, you know, I don't wanna get monetized or demonetized or whatever it is. But watch, look. So look, guys, this is the little babyless, this is just to clean my, I'm gonna show you, run you through how I clean my stuff. Watch, just super quick. Guys, check this out real quick. Watch. I'm gonna show you just real quick. And watch, I'll pop it right back here so you can see everything. All right, here, what's up, guys? All right, look, so this is the Babyless Pro little washer, whatever it is. So I get these guards. I've already washed these out thoroughly. I've already washed them with soap. I'm now rinsing them. These are just all of my guards to the clippers I use. My straight blades and everything, I'm going to show you how I disinfect those, sanitize all this stuff. The razors come apart. Shout out to Irving Barber Company. Best straight blades in the game. In fact, these are what make me so much money too. Part of it's the scissors, but I'm just saying a lot of it's me. So, but I'm gonna pop those away. Guys, I didn't show you guys I used this and I brushed with soap and everything. Now I'm gonna come and get these individual guards here and I'm just going to pop them. I'll show you, I'll come bring you over in a second once I wash my hands. I'm gonna pop these guards. They have little sections in here. Watch, let's see if you can see from there. These, watch guys, look, I'll bring you right up, right here. And so these little cubby holes have sections where you put the guards in. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see the numbers right now, but I'm like, all right, cool, that must be 6, that must be 5. I don't ever use the 6 and 5, but I'm like, I don't ever use the 4 either, but I'm just saying, maybe I do. I gotta pop them in here, guys. Either way. So look, it does all that. It's the 1, the half, the everything else. All those guards fit in there. And then I'll show you something else. I've got all of my YS part combs are clean. So I'm gonna drop those in that section. Just drop the combs in there. So my combs are now going in there. The wall combs and this comb, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the other one and hand clean myself. For my guards in these right here, and actually for my straight razors, which, you know, they still house a clean blade, but let's see, watch. So look, guys, leave them kind of open so they could sit right there and clean out. Kind of open so it could sit, and even though they're cleaned out, that we disinfected them, we washed them, now it's time to, you know, sanitize them. So we simply just turn that machine on. Guys, I think it has an alarm on it, but I'll set an alarm clock right here anyway. And I'll come right down here and say we want it to stop. Well, we'll stop it in 15 minutes. So how you set this alarm is it's here, 5, 10, 15. The dot goes here. And then now that sets a 15-minute timer. I'm pretty sure this is already gonna do its thing. And so that right there is sanitizing everything. Now we're gonna come right back along over here. And we're gonna come right back over here. Look at the shop, guys. This is what it looks like outside. Just so you never get to really see it. It's nice and overcast today. And then look, this is all my signage and everything. This is done a long time ago, so it's time to re-update that stuff. Maybe tint the windows, or this is all the stuff here. Guys, this is my car. It's I'll let you zoom in on what it really is. That red eye. Yes, sir. Leather interior, everything else dirtier than shit. I could care less. It's paid off, so it doesn't matter. And watch, look, guys. This is a quick sanitization video. you guys even have any interest in that. Shout out to my buddy Incredible Javier. He this guy, go check his YouTube channel out. All you guys, I don't know if you do know or don't know, but I've been in prison. We're gonna do a video together. So look, you know, anything like this stuff right here, the rest of my combs and everything, I'm gonna pop in the barber side right here. And so I'm also gonna get ready to pull this out. I'm gonna sanitize the clippers as well. But with all this stuff right here, we'll, let's see. You can watch me. I'm gonna just pop over this way. That has to be washed out. Anyway, guys, it's really just, it's easy. These will go in here and those will be ready in 15 minutes as well. Guys, don't soak your shit in barbicide all day and all night. It destroys it. But look, here's the shop, guys. Look at this little Ghostbuster card that we have. Shout out to 1821 Man-Made Products. Signed UFC poster. My first heavyweight fight. My King of the Cage fight. A couple other fights. And yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna pop those combs in here. I'm gonna take out I'm gonna pop the combs in here and everything. Then I'm gonna go rinse them out, do all of that. I'm gonna take my clippers. I'm going to soak the blades in here. I can show you how I do that. Watch, just so you can see it. Look, I'm gonna do it in this extra station right here. And that way this one's already being used. Let's go into this extra station right here. And guys, you wanna clean your clippers? It's super easy. First you take them right over here. Watch, I'll show you what you do. Take these right here, rinse them off. Right into the water, guys. You know, don't drown them in water, but I take care of my clippers. That's how they last so long. So it's like, and it isn't that I don't have the money to buy new ones. It's just that I take care of my stuff. So look, when your barbicide's filled up a certain amount to the top, you can take your clippers and just come like this and get all that junk out. Look, guys, look at that junk that's coming out. This will also help your clippers run better. Look at all that stuff that comes out. They're not clean until they're clean. Guys, the thing with this is when you do this, I'll show you something. When you do this, you need to also oil your clippers when you're done. Look, I'm just letting some of that hair come right out the back, and all this is gonna flow right out. And watch, I'll do this too. Let's see, where's my brush? This is my brush that cleans everything, just a basic 99-cent brush. And then you can get it at any barber place or wherever they sell, you know, supplies. But look, that just really gets your clippers clean. I don't like using stuff with oil in it because I like to do everything separately on my own. I don't want to do like a 3-in-1 or 4-in-1. Like how I like to do it is I like to get these super clean first and foremost. Once I get these clean and you know, I'm running them through the barbicide and then all the hairs out of them, you know, then I could proceed to dry them off, and then I could proceed to oil them and then wipe around them, you know, and have them nice and clean. So look, guys, this is, I could run them again in there and just make sure that no middle hair there. little tiny hair back here. If you guys ever want to, you can unscrew them here. You know, every so often I would unscrew them there and set the blade in there and allow it to go into this machine here. I'll do that about once every 2 weeks. So like this is already much cleaner. And so you can see how dirty this is. And so now what I'll do is come right over here. I'll use this blow dryer. This is an extra one. Let's get every single thing out of there. Guys, Barbicide will leave your clippers extremely dry. And that's not a problem because we're gonna oil them. And this is just a quick little shitty video just showing you what's up, but it's, I don't have anyone to film for me and I don't really need them. Like, I'll let you guys come back right over here. Let's see if that'll give you more of a wide view of me. This is just something real quick. I wanted you guys to just see what I do. So look, I have oil in my station, and it's up here. So this oil right here is from JRL. The clippers I'm using are JRL. I used to use Babyless clippers, but they didn't want to sponsor me or do anything, so had to kick them to the curb. And look, dude, if JRL doesn't do anything, I'll kick them to the curb and I'll invent a pair of clippers and have them for you guys. Look, any clipper company out there that that likes my style, thinks I'm good, shoot me a pair of clippers. I don't care what they are. I could cut with anything. I'll make your clippers famous. Whoever it is. I don't care what the brand is anymore. I played the loyalty game, guys, and never panned out. So it's like, all right, you know, let's get a smaller brand going and hook them up, take them to the top. So now the clippers are perfect. We'll cover the name just because they don't mess with us. So look at those. Nice and clean. So what I'll do after that is, I already hit them with oil. They're already clean. This isn't for any cleaning purpose. This is for a lighter oil purpose, and I'm just gonna hit them with the cool care like that. Then I come with my spray bottle, and I come right here, you know, hit that off, and then I come over and I wipe down my actual clipper. And that's the process to clean my clippers. So you can see, you know, these are the clippers. These are what they look like when they're clean. I'll show you a dirty pair. And so, clean versus dirty. Those are clean, beautiful, ready to rock and roll, ready for the day. These are dirty, need to be clean for the day. Guys, that's why I get here early. That's why when people wonder nobody's here and I'm here early, it's I'm ready to slay the day. And so that's all there is to it. But anyway, guys, this is it. Look, let's see what time it is on the clock. Looks like we got 5 more minutes and that machine will stop. The process to that is it'll stop. We'll pull them out, re-rinse everything off, make sure it's dry. And that's it, guys. One last quick thing. Guys, if you like what I do and you want to support me and everything, like and subscribe. Let's get this going and I'll start pumping out more videos. If there's any video that you want to see, let me know. Go follow my buddy Incredible Javier. He has a YouTube channel. He does interviews on people. You'll see me on his channel soon. I'm out, guys.